Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to import an employee list from an Excel into SQL Payroll. You can download the sample Excel template on our website shown in the description below. Fill up all the information, and save as a CSV file. Next, we will show how to import the employee list into SQL Payroll. You need to turn on the Data Import module in the file. Customize the SQL Payroll module. Tick on Data Import. OK. Next, go to Human Resources, Maintain Employee. Click on More, Batch Editor. Click on Import Data. Click on 3 dots, and choose the CSV file. In all the fields column, match the fields that belong to. Change the import from row setting to 2, which means you'll begin importing from the second row. Click Finish. Click Close when you're done with the procedure. And save. All employees were successfully imported into SQL Payroll upon clicking the Refresh button. You can also double-click any employee to change their information, such as their payroll info, allowance, deduction, child, and so on. Save. That's all of this video. Thank you.